everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for May month. So this is the bag which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. Let's start with the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 555. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. So if you want to order your box, just go to the link. Now let's just see what all it has. So this is the info card. And this month, this is actually an interesting thing. You can flip your one product, which is an eyeshadow from Freedom Makeup London. So if you don't want this, they have different products, like many products. You can select one product of your choice, which is amazing. So yes, I have chosen one product, which I will be showing you. What I have chosen, I've chosen this. This is a rose body polish from Plum. So I really like Plum product. They are quite nice, and this is a body polish. So I think body polish for summers, yes, it's a must have product. So that's why I chosen it. And Plum is a good brand. Now the price for this one is 299 rupees. Then it has virgin coconut oil, shea butter, organic roses, pink clay, organic cane sugar, rose essential oil. So ingredients looks nice. The packing and everything is nice. So happy with this. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is by Nature's One, and this is a foot soak. It says a pedicure spa experience for your feet for all skin type, and the price for this one is 325 rupees. 50 gram is the quantity. The manufacture date is November 2018. This one is cruelty free, paraben free, SLS free. So looks nice. And Nature's One, yes, it's a decent brand. So happy with this. Now, moving on to the next one. Next one is from Plum again, and this is the face brightening pack. The price for this one is 399 rupees, and quantity is 50 gram. It has multani mitti, sandalwood powder, wild turmeric, Kashmiri saffron, and licorice, which is amazing. And this product is paraben and sulfate free. Nice. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is the next one is by Magic Dust. This is a red wine face wash. This is the one. The price for this one is 550 rupees for, let me see the quantity, 90 ml is the quantity, and it says it's organic, natural, handmade. Now, the manufacture date is of November 2018, best before September 2020. Price, I have already told you, 550 is the price. Ingredient, it has red wine extract, sunflower oil, almond oil, fruit extract, aloe vera, paraben free, eco-friendly product. So this is the one. Now, moving on to the next one. Next one, I have a beautiful pendant here, golden pendant. The price for this one is 100 rupees. And you can just see the look. Let me just wear it. I'm wearing off shoulder. I'm not really sure if the neck piece will be visible here on my neck, but let me still try. So this is the one, and it's very light, and you can just see it's really pretty, very classic look. Yes, I like it. Really pretty. 100 rupees is the price for this one. Don't worry, I'll click some pictures. Not on this top, I guess. I have to change my top, because yes, it's not really visible on this. Okay, 100 rupees is the price for this one. The next product is a eyeliner from Half and Half. The price for this one is 99 rupees, and Half and Half is a quite decent brand, I would say. 99 is the price, and it's an eyeliner, so of course very useful product, I would say. Now that's all. Wait, let me show you the bag. I already have the same bag, like same color, same pattern, so the quality and everything of Lady Raga pouches are quite nice. I always like it, and this one again is nice. So happy with this. Now that's all what I have received in my Lady Raga. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. So if you like this box, go ahead, place your order for your Lady Raga. Now that's all about Lady Raga. But before ending the video, let me just remind you about my giveaway, guys. Yes, the May giveaway is already live on my channel. I will be mentioning the giveaway link in the description box. What do you have to do? Nothing, just go to the link, click on that, and of course participate, guys, and show me lots of love. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.